Hi there, students. Lavish. Okay, lavish means extravagant, in abundance, in profusion. Yeah, large in quantity and expense, impressive. So you could have lavish spending. Yeah, he spent lavishly on the wedding. Lavishly, the adverb. There was, we had a lavish banquet after the wedding. Yeah, the wedding was a lavish affair with endless supplies of good food and wine. Yeah, this opera, the production of it was lavish. They spent a lot of money on it. Lavish gifts, lavish promises, yeah, lavish praise. Yeah, very generous, very extreme in amount. Yeah, as much as you possibly could. Yeah, so profuse, loads and loads and loads of it. Prodigal, spending maybe too much. Yeah, going over the top almost. Notice as well, you can use to lavish as a verb to give very generously, extremely, to squander perhaps, or to give out extremely generously. So he lavished money on his grandchildren. They lavished the picture with praise. Yeah, they gave it lavish praise. They lavished praise on it. Okay, so to lavish, to go to excess. Yeah, to be immoderate, inordinate. Yeah, overdue, over extravagant. Yeah, just shower things upon something. Yeah, it's lush, luxuriant, exuberant as well. Okay, so lavish expenditure. He lavished attention on his customers. He showered attention on them. In this restaurant, they give you lavish servings of food, so you won't go away hungry. Yeah, he lavished his time on this project, and that's why it comes out so beautifully. He lavished gifts on her. Yeah, a lavish party, lavish spending for a flamboyant lifestyle. The critics are lavish in their praise of this piece of music. The king lavished money on his favorite. Yeah, lavish with praise, lavish money on somebody. Yeah, he lavishes too much money on that child. Yeah, you are a very lavish host. Yeah, you give us everything we might possibly want. Okay, so to lavish, or lavish as an adjective, lavishly adverb. So how formal is this verb to lavish? I think I'd probably give it a 5.5. I think you could use it anywhere, but it's just a touch on the formal side. It sounds a little bit literary. Notice as well, to lavish is a regular verb. He lavished money on it. He has lavished money on this. And then as to origin, well, maybe it comes from the old French lavas, meaning a torrent of rain, where it's pouring with rain. And that itself maybe comes from lavo in Latin, to wash, but maybe that's not right. Yeah, there are a lavish number of videos in my channel to help you improve your English. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Lavish.